10 places guys love to be touched. When we think of sensuality, women often come to mind first. However, those gentle touches, nibbles, caresses, and kisses that women adore can also send men into a frenzy. So, why stick to the obvious when you know how much he loves being touched by the woman he cherishes? If you're ready to discover his most sensitive spots, here are 10 areas men enjoy being touched, along with tips on how to do it right. 1. Run your fingers through his hair. Isn't it incredibly seductive and deeply intimate when a guy plays with your hair? Now, imagine being in his shoes, watching the woman he likes gazing up at him as she sensually runs her fingers through his hair. Even if he doesn't have much hair, the scalp is highly sensitive, and the gesture remains just as endearing. Why does this matter? Because every man's hair is unique to him. It reflects his personality, complements his style, and showcases his individuality. When you show him that you love his hair, it resonates deeply, as you're appreciating a personal and unique part of him. Combine that with the powerful physical sensation of a head massage, and you're on the path to creating some serious sparks. 2. Nibble on his neck. It's well known that the neck is packed with nerve endings, yet this sensitive area on a man's body is often overlooked. He enjoys attention here just as much as you do, so it's time to embrace your gentle side and give his neck the attention it deserves. Sneak up behind him and place a soft kiss just below his ear. Gently nibble on the back of his neck. Slowly run your tongue up the front and softly trace your fingertips around his hairline. Whether you're in the kitchen cooking together or winding down in bed, this is a move he'll find irresistible and crave more of. 3. Tantalize his tongue. There's something incredibly sensual about exploring each other's tongues, especially when you take the lead. It's intimate, playful, and sure to ignite his desire. Begin by lying down together and softly licking his lower lip. Encourage him to stick out his tongue and let your creativity flow. Trace circles around his tongue with yours, gently suck on it, and then pull back just a little. He'll be eager for more, and as you add this playful twist to your kissing routine, you'll find yourself wanting more too. 4. Whisper in his ear. Whispering sweet nothings into your man's ear might seem like something from a romance novel, but the ears are actually amazing erogenous zones. Beyond the power of words, there are small, sensitive spots that are just begging to be touched. Try flicking your tongue behind his earlobe or in the small crevice where the neck meets the ear. Gently nibble, suck, and tug on his earlobe with your lips. Compliment how good he smells or how much you love kissing him. Discover which ear is more sensitive and focus your attention there. However, be cautious. Sticking your tongue directly into his ear canal or kissing it might have the opposite effect. 5. Tease his fingertips and his feet. Massaging and playing with each other's hands and feet can quickly escalate into something more passionate, even if it starts as a simple gesture of relaxation or affection while you're lounging on the couch watching Netflix. Fingertips, in particular, are incredibly sensitive and perfect for teasing. As you play with his hands, lock eyes with him and slowly bring his fingers to your lips. It won't take long for him to make the connection. Gently lick and suck on his fingers, and you'll soon build anticipation to a level that's impossible to resist. 6. Notice his nipples. Yes, men have nipples too, and many enjoy having them touched. To find out if your guy does, start with slow, gentle touches and watch how he reacts, or simply ask him if he likes it. While his nipples might not be as sensitive as yours, there's a good chance he'll enjoy the attention. Experiment with different types of touch using your fingers and tongue. You can circle around his nipple, flick your tongue back and forth, or even try a gentle bite. For an added thrill, rub ice over them and then blow on the wet surface. Essentially, if it feels good for you, It might feel great for him too. 7. Seduce his sacrum. When you're making love and facing your partner, think about the spots on his body you instinctively grab in the heat of the moment. His lower back, sacrum, or buttocks often come to mind. If you touch these areas randomly throughout the day or during foreplay, it can trigger similar sensations, bringing back memories of your intimate moments together. This kind of touch builds anticipation, leaving him eagerly anticipating what might happen next. 8. Touch his inner thighs. Sometimes, withholding touch can be as enticing as the touch itself. His inner thighs, being close to his favorite spot, are also a highly sensitive erogenous zone. Lightly drag your nails along them while you're watching TV, or tease him with gentle licks, nibbles, and bites during foreplay in bed. The closer you get, the more he'll be eager for you to take things further. 9. Perineum play. You've probably heard of the perineum, but have you ever explored it? Many women haven't, but if you do, he'll likely be pleasantly surprised. This sensitive area, located between his anus and testicles, is a major erogenous zone once you learn how he prefers it to be stimulated. You can experiment with various techniques, such as gently pressing it with your fingers or softly rubbing it with your fingertips. Some men enjoy a rolling motion with the flat parts of your knuckles. Approach it slowly and pay attention to his reactions. He might not have experienced these sensations before. 10. Find the F-spot. Lastly, there's one more key spot every woman should know about. His F-spot, or frenulum. This is the sensitive area on the underside of his penis where the head meets the shaft, forming a small V shape. The tip of this V is where the most intense pleasure is experienced. Handle it with the same care you'd want him to use on your clitoris, starting with a light touch until you discover his preferences. Often, this area remains unexplored, much like other male erogenous zones. By incorporating these insights, you'll deepen your sexual connection and enhance your intimacy together. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comment section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.